How to use gift card on Uber app. So if you want to use gift card on the Uber app, it's very simple. Open up the Uber application. Make sure that you're signed into your account, obviously. Tap on the account icon from the bottom right. Then simply go to the option called payment. From payment, you want to simply go to add payment method option there. From add payment method, select the option called gift card. And obviously, as simple as ABCD, just enter your gift card number and then just tap on the save option. Once the gift card is saved, next time whenever you're booking a ride, you can choose to pay from your respective linked gift card, and as a result you will get enough discounts on it, depending upon, of course, the value of the gift card. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon, as always, in the next video.